If you want to know how to put on the Donjoy cold therapy pads, we're going to show you how to do it step by step, fast and easy. Hi, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video, where you can find linked in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Cold therapy is an awesome way to help relieve your pain and swelling after surgery, injury, or just a hard day of being a weekend warrior. So how do you properly use a cold therapy device? Well, I'm going to show you the proper way to do this end to end. And once we're done, I'm also going to show you the #1 trick to make your cold therapy experience easier. All right, how do we do it? Michelle, take us through the steps of the application of the Donjoy cold therapy pads.
The first thing we need to do is make sure that the pad and the part number are correct. You would do this by looking at the front right corner of the pad where the part number will be listed on the white label. Notice this is a sealed bag, and once the sealed bag has been opened, it cannot be returned. So please be sure to make sure that you ordered the correct pad. The other item you're going to get is a skin warning flyer. You never want to put the cold pad directly on your skin, as it could cause some damage or some frostbite. And the universal protocol for cold therapy is 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. Also, please make sure to check with your doctor for any other instructions while you're using the cold therapy device, just to be on the safe side. Today we're going to show you how to apply the Donjoy hip pad. This application video is going to be the same for both the left and the right hip pad. As you can see, there's no barrier, and that's because your clothing is going to be the barrier between your skin and the pad. Today, we're going to apply the right hip pad. It's important that you get this long strap centered in the middle of the pad. So you're going to put it on your hip area. Then you're going to bring the long strap around. And you're going to want to fasten it and get it nice and snug and a good comfortable fit.
This is always going to require just a tick of adjusting once you get it in the spot you want.
Then you're ready to apply the smaller strap to the bottom. Once you've done that, you're going to want to connect your hoses. Once you hear that click, that means it's secure. Then you're ready to plug your power supply into the back of the cooler and begin your therapy.
Great job, Michelle, in showing us how to do that. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm going to show you our #1 trick to help make things easier for you. We have freeze bags that you can use in the cooler, and they come in packs of 12. You place 3 in the cooler and the rest in the fridge, and then you just keep rotating the bags. This way, especially if you're alone, you don't have to keep chasing after ice, and your refrigerator will have a really hard time keeping up anyway. Now that you know how to use your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.